Hello guys, welcome everyone to my video. And today yung video na gagawin ko is a get ready with me video kasi meron tayong another product na itatry natin. So, as you all know from the title of my video for today, this is get ready with me and also the unboxing of mga chinek out ko sa Shopee this Christmas. So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-check out ng mga items kasi nga Pasko, meron ako mga extra money na pwede nating ibili or i-check out sa ating Shopee. So, first and foremost, alam nyo naman, get ready with me. So, first and foremost, maglalagay muna tayo ng toner. Let's tone our face. And as you all know, everyone already knows my skincare, which is Lumiere Skin Vitals. Alright? Kasi nakailang get ready with me na kayo, di ba? Meron akong bagong product na gusto kong itry, guys. Yung pangkilay siya na ginagamit, ano lang siya, like, it's a wax type. So, para lang ginagawang bushi-bushi yung kilay mo. Parang laminated ang kilay mo, guys. Ganun. So, let's try that product right now. Mamaya, pag umabot na tayo sa kilay, unbox natin yung aking in-order na pangkilay. Alam nyo ba, guys, meron na ako dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different products para sa kilay. Diba? Kasi nga guys, kilay is life. So, yan. And then you also tone your neck. The neck is part of the face, guys. You need to make sure that you get your neck. That. Alright. Okay. And then, of course, syempre, yung ating siko, you all know that. I do my siko, guys. I tone my siko every time. It's part of my routine. So, yeah. Para hindi maging masyadong dark. Although dark talaga yung aking siko, guys. Para hindi naman siya mukhang uling, guys. Kailangan natin siyang linisin. Because what makes it dark is because you always put it on any surface. So, merong mga germs dun. So, nanonood siya sa skin mo. Tapos hindi mo siya nililinisan. Kaya yan, nag-accumulate siya dyan sa skin mo. And it turns out to be very dark. Alright, that's it for my toner. Pumunta na tayo, syempre, sa ating, malapit na maubos, ang aking beauty drops, no, from GT Cosmetics. Malapit na ako maubusan, guys. Soon, I need to buy reserve for this one. Alright. As you can see, guys, this is a very raw video. Kasi nga, kita nyo yung mga pimple marks ko dyan. Yan. So, once that's settled into our skin, alright, wait a minute, lalakasan kong electric fan. Parang, maano pa rin ako. So, I don't know if you can hear all the sounds, no, from my house. Kasi yung aking mga anak na sa kanilang computer, so maybe you can hear them. And also, can hear the keyboards typing. Wala kasing noise reduction itong aking video. So, I will just edit this one and add like a noise reduction thing on it. Meron naman yan sa CapCut. But, isang na notice ko sa CapCut, lahat ng mga paborito kong libre noon na mga features niya is nasa pro na. So parang gusto na ni CapCut niya na mag pro na ako. Pero wala pa tayong pera. Ang mahal ng guys, CapCut. As in, 600 ata yun. So, yun. Hindi na ako papalamuti ng maigi sa aking mga videos. It's because ayaw na niya akong pagamitin ng mga paborito kong features. Well, it's business. I understand that. So, wag na lang natin ipilit. Kasi wala tayong pera. And the next one, pagkatapos ng aking tawag dyan, serum, eto na tayo sa night cream. And as you all know, pinagsasabay ko ang night cream and day cream. Pinagsasabay ko sila, guys. Hindi po ako sa umaga day cream, tas sa gabi night cream. Nope. Because tamad na akong mag skincare during the night. So, wala. Pagkatapos kong maligo, inilalagay ko na lahat ng cream dyan. Wala nang pasikot-sikot pa. And the next is the day cream. Once the night cream has settled. Ayan. Alright. Wait lang. Sana mapansin tayo ni Lumiere, no? Tapos, padalan tayo ng mga PR packages. Tapos, padalan tayo ng mga supply ng Lumiere, guys. Ganun. Basta, palagi ko lang i-promote. Siyempre, palagi ko nung pinopromote sa Get Ready With Me ko video. Alright. Ayan. After the night cream is the day cream. Actually, guys, I am filming this right now. Gabi ko siya film. Kasi gabi na ako nakaligo. Yeah. At alam niyo pa, guys, pagkatapos nito is liligpitin ko pa yung tinupi kong mga damit ng mga anak ko. Kasi nung time na after nung pillow time video ko, reels ko, yung video ko na nagtutupi ako ng mga damit namin na nilabahan. Hindi ko natapos yung mga ng chikiting ko, ano bang tawag doon? Kanilang mga damit, hindi ko naligpit sa kanilang mga cabinets. So, after this video is we will do that. Alright. See? Ang ganda. Yan lang. Skincare lang yan, no? And then, para po, dahil hindi naman tayo aalis, dito lang naman tayo sa bahay. So, I will not do the No Shine Mattifier and the tinted sunscreen. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on the pimple eraser cream from Quick FX. Pasensya niyo ang kuko ko, guys, kasi tumubo na talaga siya. This nails is 1 month na since nagpa-nails ako. So this is on its 4th week. Grabing kapit, guys. As in, para na siyang nails. So I'm just gonna put it where there are lots of pimple marks, diba? And now, currently, nandito sa forehead ko lahat ng pimple marks natin. So, ayan. And then, also sa ating suwang area. Kasi dito tayo Aside from the forehead, also my suwang area is like where the pimples are really going on. Ganun. Pak, ganun. Alright. Okay, next part of my get ready with me tonight or in this video is itatry natin yung bagong pangkilay, no, na bagong pangkilay na check out natin sa Shopee. At ito naman ay nakita ko sa TikTok. Pero dahil sa Shopee, wala namang free shipping. So, dito ako nag-order sa Shopee. Kasi, nasa Shopee din naman. Wow! Look. Lo, ba't dalawa? Isa lang in-order ko Tapos dalawa siya, guys. I don't understand, man. Wait a minute. I-check ko mamaya kasi nasa phone ko yung Shopee app ko Hindi ko alam kung bakit dalawa. Ano ba to? Free? Pero nasa niya is dalawa siya. OMG. So, this is from Pink Flash. Ito yung kanilang Pink Flash na ang tawag dito. Wait lang This is the Pink Flash Setting Brow Wax. Alright. So, meron tayong reserve. News na. Nabayaran ko na naman din to, guys. Tanggapin na lang natin. So, this part is where the brush is. Diba? Huh. Ito yung brush. Pinaka-brush niya. And then, on the other side is the wax. And this is in the shade brown. This is in the shade brown. Ganito siya, guys. Wait lang. Ganyan siya. So, ang ginawa nung video na nakita ko sa TikTok is, they just put it this way. Ganito, guys. Ganyan. Yan. So, we're gonna do it both eyes. Yung parang ano siya, yung stroking niya is yung parang opposite ng kilay mo. The opposite the hair. And then they're going to use the brush to settle that kilay. Brush up lang natin. I don't know if I'm doing it right, guys. Parang na-smudge at parang hindi ko alam kung, and then we're just gonna do this. Don't worry, we will clean that up. Hindi ko alam kung meron bang diferensya. Nag-laminate ba yung, nakita nyo ba yung lamination ng aking kilay sa video ngayon? Okay, let's see. Wait, linisin lang muna natin kasi parang ano siya, very very katag ng kilay ko, guys. Ayan. So let's see, tingnan nga natin What happened to my kilay? Can you see it, guys? Can you really see the difference? Like, is there like a lamination thing? Parang hindi ko naman nakikita. Parang lang din akong nagkilay, actually. So, is it true or is it a scam? Well, at least, nakilay pa rin siya, guys. At least, 'di ba? Umorma pa rin yung kilay. Bumili ako nung tinted, hindi yung clear kasi. Yung kilay ko kasi is marami siyang mga gaps. So, I don't want those gaps. So, as you can see, yan yung kilay natin ngayon. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Ay, ang dami kong ano. Kailangan ko na ata maglinis ng kilay, guys. Wait a minute. Wait lang, maglinis lang muna ako ng kilay, guys. So, I will do the cleaning of my kilay here while making a video. Wait lang, nasan na ba yung cooler? OMG, wala dito. Oh my God. Saan kaya nilagay ng asawa ko? I will just do my kilay later on. The cleaning of my kilay. Kasi meron ng mga konting mga ano, tumutubo dyan. So, tatanggalin natin yan with a puller. And since hindi naman, wala naman dito kasi yesterday, my husband used the puller on my hair kasi nagpapapula ako ng white hairs. Yeah, dahil meron na tayong white hairs. So, what do I think about this pink flush na ano bang tawag dito? Setting brow wax. I don't know if naset ba talaga niya yung kilay ko, guys. I don't see any difference. Para lang din akong nagkilay, guys, ng normal. But, it did the part na naporma niya yung kilay ko, guys. Ganun. Pero yung parang yung nakita ko sa video na yung mga hair strands is very visible. Dito, hindi ko nakikita na visible siya. Hindi ko alam. Like, can you see it, guys? Because if I go further in, hindi ko na nakakita. So, kayo nang humusga. So, I think this is okay as an eyebrow product. But, again, expectation versus reality. But I will use this. This is a good product, guys. This is going to be a staple eyebrow product for me right now with my Get Ready With Me videos. Ito na yung makikita nyong eyebrow product na gagamitin ko, guys. Yup. Yes. And we're done with unboxing the eyebrow. So, next part is, since hindi naman ako lalabas, guys, so I will not do concealing. But I will open pang-reserve ko na ano, guys. Pang-reserve ko na Elana concealer. Bumili ako ng reserve. Kasi paubos na yung Elana concealer po. So, and I got that my first Elana concealer from my friend na si Diane Bonifacio. So, eto, guys, meron na siyang kasamang lalagyan. Kasi yung binigay niya sa aking mystery package is wala siya nung lalagyan. Ito lang yung binigay niya sa akin. And I don't know if I got the shade right. Oh, hindi sila pareho ng shade. Tingnan nyo yung shade. Hindi pareho, no? Ito is parang reddish, brownish. Ito is very light. But I think I like this one. So, ito yung lalagyan niya, guys. Sarah! So, I can put like 4 different shades sa lalagyan na to. That's what I've known. So, ayan siya. Yan yung lalagyan niya. So, I will just show you how I put dito sa palette, yung lalagyan niya, yung mga concealers. Kaya siya ganito guys, kasi kailangan mo ring bilhin yung lalagyan niya. Okay. This is like my old one. Lapit na siyang maubos guys. Actually, matagal pa to. So, magnetic to guys. Nagmamagnetize. And then, I will also open this one na. And then we will put it here too. This is in the shade Radiant. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade to. Akala ko Radiant. Di pala. Kasi yung Radiant is lighter eh. Ito parang may pagka orange brownish siya. So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Tara! So, I got like 2 shades now. So, eto na yun guys. Ito yung aking bagong go-to concealer. Yan, nakita niyo na ako sa aking camera. So, ito yung bagong go-to concealer ko guys. Yung favorite ko na to. Favorite ko na to siya guys. Ever since, binili ito sa akin ni Ma'am, ni Sis Bonifacio. Talagang, na-inlove ako sa kanya. Kasi napaka full coverage niya. Natatabunan niya talaga yung aking mga yung under eye ko na napaka-dark as you can see right now. But I will not put it on kasi matutulog naman ako mamaya. Kasi gabi nga ngayon, diba? So, I'm just going to show you how I put it sa lalagyan. I'm so happy. Ganun. Tara, finally, meron na rin akong lalagyan ng aking favorite concealer. Hindi na ako mahihirapan, guys. And then, next part of my get ready with me. Parang get ready with me ba to? Get ready with me. Nasa bahay lang naman ako. But I'm doing skincare. I'm doing everything. So, next is, hindi po ako maglalagay din ng ano bang tawag dyan? After the concealer kasi guys, I also do my fill up. So, we're going to unbox my Reserve na O2O mascara. Waterproof mascara. Meron ako nito guys, but, you know, as you all know, nakat ko yung box nung, yeah, meron siyang libre guys. Kada bili mo, may libre siyang ganito. And I still have my other one. So, hindi ko muna to gagamitin. I will use this later on na lang. So, nakat ko yung ano niya. So, we are going to keep this one. We will use it later. So, reserve na lang to guys. Kasi parang feeling ko yung aking O2O na my other one. Wait lang ha. Eto. Parang ano na siya, paubos na siya guys. So, eto siya guys. Eto yung kanyang lalagyan. Yan. Ay, natupi yung box niya. So, eto yung reserve nito. Kasi parang paubos na to. So, I have to have a reserve. Yun talaga, no. Kaya, mas maganda rin na dalawa yung nilagay nung in-order ko. Actually, I just ordered one. I'm going to check it in Shopee. Baka natuko ko siya. Ay, nako. Kaya siguro na ano yun, 315 yung nabayaran ko. Kaya siguro, kasi dalawa yung in-order ko. Ay, nako guys. Isa lang naman in-order ko. Pero anyways, so dalawa naman to. Meron na tayong reserve. So, hindi natin bibili ng bago. Na reserve pa. So, I'm going to put it here. Dito sa lalagyan ko ng mga extra. Alright. Kasi pag mamaya, pag naubos tong mga to, meron akong reserve. Alright. And then, after ng lahat ng yan, dahil nagkilay tayo dahil, syempre, we're trying out a new product, guys. I wanted to show you the new product. So, next is ano lang. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Lips ako. Ito yung ginagawa ko. Yung tinted lip balm. In the shade 01. Kasi yung 01 guys is ganito yung kulay niya. But when you apply it on your lips, it's like pinkish. And among the 3 shades, ito yung pinaka moisturizing. O, paubos na rin siya guys, so kailangan ko nang mag-order. Yes, you can put a lot kasi hindi naman siya thick like the 03 na shade. Alright. And then, to have that, kahit nasa bahay lang ako guys, you know what? Yung ano lang ini-skip ko eh. Yung concealing, yung mascara. Kasi matutulog na din naman ako. But I don't skip the blush. No. So, I will use my Benetint. To put a little pinkish shade on my cheeks. Yes, I already did a review video on this one. Just watch the live video that na feature ko to guys. I introduced this one to you. Diba? Ganyan siya kaganda. Para talagang natural na blooming ka lang. Natural na pinkish yung skin mo, guys. Hindi siya yung parang pinilit ka. Yes. And this is like my look when I'm just nasa bahay lang ako. I don't do eyebrows, guys, ha. When nasa bahay lang ako, guys. I did the eyebrows because I wanted to show you the new product from Pink Flash. And again, this product will be my staple eyebrow product from now on sa mga get ready videos. So this is the Pink Flash Setting Brow Wax. Yung shade nito is Brown 01. BR01. I don't know if it will focus. Hindi ko alam. Wait lang. Can you see it, guys? Like I can't. So, yeah. I love it, guys. Although, hindi pareho yung result nung eyebrows ko sa eyebrows na nakita ko sa video neto. Actually, siguro dahil hindi naman makapal yung aking kilay. So, maybe that is the reason why. Bakit hindi parang masyadong laminated yung look ng aking kilay. Or hindi lang talaga ako marunong, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung ano doon. But anyways, I love the product. Alright? And then, ipapakita ko na ngayon sa inyo ang last na na-check out ko sa Shopee, which is my new cellphone case. As you all know, binenta ko na yung aking mga old cases na walang magnetic circle. Walang pang mag-safe na mga casing. Binenta ko na lahat at nag-collect ako ngayon ng mga casing ng phone ko na may pang mag-safe siya. So, meron siyang magnetic feature. So, eto yung aking nabili sa Shopee. And, alam nyo ba guys, yung binenta kong case na yun, it's worth, I think, 600 pesos or ganon. And then, nakuha lang yun binenta ko lang siya ng 300 take on. Tas ano yun, 6 pieces ng case. So, eto siya guys, naka-box talaga siya. Okay, and wow, ganda. Look at that. It's from Sanptok. Or Sanpitoch or whatever. Yan yung kanyang brand. Saan siya galing. Ang ganda ng ano guys, ng packaging niya. Nakabox talaga siya. Ang ganda. This is worth 305 pesos ata sa Shopee. Look at that. It's purple magnetic. Kasi wala pa akong purple case. And it magnetic to, guys. Yeah. So, I will try it on later after this video. Kasi yung ginagamit ko ngayong pang video is, syempre, yung aking phone. Yes. Nag-change ako ng mga case, guys. Kaya binenta ko yung mga case ko na walang magnet. Kasi hindi ko naman siya nagagamit. And I think he gave me like, I think this is, he gave me like a free case. Ay, hindi. Parang screen protector. He gave me like a free screen protector. Wow, thank you so much. From anong shop ba to? I-ano ko na lang yung link, guys, ng mga shop na nabilhan ko ng aking mga ano bang tawag dyan? Yung mga shop na binilhan ko nitong mga products na to, I will just paste it on the comment section na lang siguro. Look at that. Ito yung freebie niya. Nagka-freebie ako ng screen protector. Wow. Thank you so much. Sanpitok. Sanpitok. And syempre meron siyang parang ganito. Warranty. Dear customer, we appreciate you choosing Sanpitok among the many businesses out there. We hope that our product helps to bring you a little bit of joy today. Yes, it did. It's so nice. Regardless of if you are happy or dissatisfied with our product, you are able to contact us at any time. You have our word that we will try our best to resolve any issues that you may have, and we apologize in advance if any inconvenience has been caused. If you are satisfied with our product, we look forward to receiving a 5-star review. Yes, I'm satisfied. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we have been working hard to improve on the quality of our products as well as increasing our response and shipping times. We hope that you will continue to enjoy shopping with us and our products. Best wishes from Sanpi Talk. Yes, meron silang pa-love letter. So, I've got like a new, ano bang tawag dito? Screen protector in case. Meron pa naman akong extra doon. And then, now I've got another extra. Ang dami kong extra. Screen protector. And that about ends sa mga products na nabili ko na check out ko sa aking Shopee cart for December, syempre. Yung iba is from restocking, and my favorite part is this one and this one. Nagkaroon na rin ako ng lalagyan, guys. Hindi na ako mag-aano nung parang plastic niya. Diba? Look at that. Ang ganda niya. In fairness. And ang ganda ng case. And I can't wait to try it on my phone. And do a mirror selfie. Alright. So, that's about it for this video. I hope na na-enjoy kayo. And I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng parang little bit of information about all these products. And also knowledge about all these products. And thank you so much for watching my video. I hope na mag-like kayo, mag-comment, and i-share nyo itong video, guys, after, watching it, para po maka-reach ng maraming people. Because, again, I am on my 60k minute views in Facebook para po makuha na natin yung ating criteria para sa in-stream ads. And I just hope that all of my 5,500 followers, diba, nag 5,500 followers na tayo, hindi pa tayo nakapag-giveaway, guys. Sorry talaga. Hindi po ako nakapag-giveaway pa. Gcash giveaway. Kasi, there has been a lot of parang personal issues coming this year. Tong year na to, guys, is really a bad year for me. 2 beses akong na-scam this year ng pera na hindi naman talaga pera na nandyan sa akin, inutang ko. Kaya ay binayaran ko yung utang na yun, yung mga perang yun na inutang ko na hindi ko naman napakinabangan. Kasi nga, guys, I want to have like extra income. But then in the end, scam pala ako. So, lesson learned, guys, walang madaling pera. There's no such thing as like instant money. So, wag kayong magpa-loko-loko dyan sa mga scammers na yan, no? Dahil magsisisi kayo and you will suffer for it. At yung mga taong yun, Diyos na pong bahala sa kanila. Alright? So, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Like, comment, and share this video, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.